Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're on the job, we're on that driveway again. But this time we've got a boom pump, no line pump. Yes, baby. Well, this is the job. Driveway again. Remember this driveway we did the other day? Oh, the drainage is working good. And the little gardens are filling up with water. And we've got over there to do, and we've got another bit up the side up there. And it's awesome. Anyway, we'll see what I can get. I can probably get something just here for you guys. All right, we got concrete. Let's go. And we got the mud fest at the back, so we're gonna be wheelbarrowing our asses off. Oh, I'm not. Fuck that. I'll be dead. All right, we got the concrete, and it's got a blockage already. What the fuck? Outside. Take it. Milkshake concrete. Take it up. Come on. Take it. Where's it coming out? Oh, bugger. Alright, they fixed the blockage. When dry concrete comes, what do you do? By the time it gets to that pipe, it dries out the first bit, and it all gets lubed up by the water, and then it's all good again. Let's go. Alright, we're into it. We're just going to pour this little bit down the bottom here. There's like a drain going in there later, so we're just going to pour the bottom part first. That became a problem later when we actually did try to finish it. And we've got this nib wall to do. Oh, we're going to do this nib wall. There's like the gutter here. Lance done a beautiful job. Let's see how I'm going to do this one here. Tap both sides. Ah, Jackie again for the pumpy guys. I'm alright. Damn. Where? Alright, that's it. That bit done. Took 10 minutes. Boys put it in as well. We're just waiting for concrete again. Damn it. Shit happens. And then you wait for some. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful, mate. Nice to finish ball float there with a ox handle. Beautiful. The next truck is here. Thanks for watching. Alright, we've got that much of the nib wall done as well. A bit more to go. Concrete's here. Let's go, let's go. Get a bit more in and we'll go. Alright. And there we go again. I'll put this on time lapse this time. A little bit quicker. But you got to see me screwed properly back there. How I do it. Just got to do it properly to make the job easier later. Now,
I got it right up on Lance's face before he even realised it. And then he turned his head around real slow.
We need some more. Thanks. Thanks, mate. OnlyFans, everything goes in there. Yeah, but I don't charge nothing now. No. Nah. Alright, I think the pump's moving. I'm going to be backing the truck up for the rest. And we're doing around the back as well, so. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed that so far. Bit of screed in the driveway. If you want that extra bit of screeding, when I see that extra bit of video, go over to my OnlyFans and you'll see a lot more of the screeding, and I'll explain more about how to do it and stuff as well. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. And we've got lots more to go yet anyway. We've got to finish the second thing yet. And we've got bits at the back as well, so let's go. And I hope it doesn't rain, look at that. You guys are backing up here, gonna put the plus in. Oh. Yep. Yep, you're right, keep coming. Keep going. Dump it. How much is in the hopper? You want to see what you got left over? This is the leftovers in the hopper. She's full. Pretty good. Good 3 wheelbarrow loads, I reckon. Get a rake and knock them down. Might be it. Gonna scrape every little last. That's tiny. Little man shovel. Lance, there's your shovel, man. There is a little bit more. Wash your balls up, mate. I think it's over there. Over there. Everyone's washing the ball. That's empty in the hopper. That's how much we got in this little hopper. Cool. Thanks, Kevy. Oh shit ball. So me in the morning on the toilet. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. Anyway. Alright, the boys have been wheelbarrowing up here and they're fucking spewing at me because I won't wheelbarrow. They had the wheelbarrow all the way up here. All the way up here. I should have filmed them. Oh, Simon's at it. They're going crazy. The legs are burning. This is the easy run. Oh, I'll be going up there and do my shit. But they had to go all the way up here. Let me show you. All the way through this slump pit. It's so wet. They had to go all the way up here. And all the way down there where Reno is. It was a mud fest. But now it's a little bit easier. We've only got this bit to go. Smashed it. Yeah, Lance. This is where they're gonna go now. One of the worst wheel jobs I've ever seen. These boys have got them up. Alright. We've got a bit of rain happening. And the boys are pushing the wheelbarrows. They're finding it hard. It's actually better than it was. Oh, whoa! We got a loose one. Nah. He just went off track. Holy hell. Come on, Lance, you got this. Damn. Oh, we're nearly done.
Oh yeah, hey, we're nearly done.
Yeah, you're nearly done.
We are nearly done.
I told you the upper me because I haven't pushed the wheelbarrow. I can't push wheelbarrows. Ah, down, Simon. Simon wanted to get filmed. And he's down in the corner. Oh, they are buggered. The poor buggers. Oh, it's so slippery. That's what they've been doing the whole time, but that's actually been worse. Up that other end, it was worse. Alright, let's see Gregory's one. Greg's the black belt. He's got the strength, he's got the power. But will he slide out? Oh! That was like a rally car.
Hit it drifting.
Hit it drifting. You lose it, bro. You're drifting, bro. Alright, I'll get back into it. I'm doing this. I'm magging it up with Reno. Magging it out. Alright, guys, we're in a situation. We've got rain. And it's all over the slab. And it ain't stopping. It ain't stopping no time soon. So, we're in a situation now. We'll see what we can get out of it. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
It's still raining. It ain't stopping, boys.
It's getting heavier now. Oh, I don't do that.
80% chance of rain today, they said. What the fuck? Oh well.
Well, it only said 15 to 25 mil, so it fucking hurries up, we're done.
We're nearly up to fucking 30 mil. I reckon. Oh, what do you do? What do you do?
Fuck's sake, I wish my mouth would stop burning.
Always having a go. Trying to get the pegs out. Simon's choking because he had bloody beef jerky. I gave him some beef jerky. He couldn't handle it. A bit too hot. If you got good beef jerky, send us some. Give me a message or give me my address. Send me some beef jerky.
Yeah, make sure it's not hot.
No, we want it real hot. So Simon can't have any. Me and Lance will have it all. This rain does not stop the butt. It's fucking ridiculous. Alright, my phone is nearly dead. And we got it a bit, but we got more rain coming again. So we're gonna just have to work it out. Just might miss out the last bit. Nothing I can do about that. But there's shitloads of rain coming, look. Around this corner. Oh, damn it. Everyone wants to quit. We're all quitting. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And she's coming again. Not much we can do here. Alright, the rain has finally stopped and we've got a bit of a trail on it. Looking alright. All we need to do is keep stopping. Don't rain no more. Please let us finish. Let's go home. I want to go home. Come on. Like this video for the boys. Come on, 1,000 likes. Let's go. Alright, it's 1:30. We've got to trout up now. The rain has finally fucked off for a bit. But we're getting there. The boy's going to go on knee boards and go all the way down on the knee boards. And then we're going to broom it and she's done. Out of here. Alright, we got going again. You've seen what it was like before. And then it rained again. Simon was hand trailing it. But it rained. Bloody bugger. Go away, rain. Go away, come back another day. We are sorry to the rain gods. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. It's still raining on us. The battery's about to die, so yeah. And that's it, we're just going to strip it and go. Reno's going to have to work it out what to do with it tomorrow. But it's alright, it's pretty good. There's no holes or nothing in it, but it's a bit sandy. That's what happens when you pull in the rain. That's what happens, you can't do nothing about it. But these poor guys, mate, they've been troopering through. Pushing that wheelbarrow wasn't easy. So if you can give these guys a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. And leave a comment and give me some new sunnies. Look, my sunnies fucking broke. Well, I'm working it today as well. So much bad shit's happened to me today. But anyway, I'll tell you about it another day. But anyway, if you can subscribe, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, whatever, and leave a comment, and that'll be good. And I'll see you all maybe tomorrow. Probably not, because it's gonna fucking rain again. Anyway, see ya. Have fun. Bye. All right. We're on. Bye. That was good. See you, boys.